All right, let's make it happen. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Brooklyn, and I'm from the YouTube channel Gorgeous Standards. Today, I will be talking to you about this lovely hair that I got from AliExpress, from the company Elva's Hair Company. And this is a 14-inch lace wig, 360 frontal. So this is in the pattern texture wet and wavy. That means when you wet the hair, it gets curly and shiny and real nice. And it looks like it's wet all the time if you add mousse or if you add any oil sheen or something. So yeah, this is the unit. This will be the 1 week update because my last week I was not consistent with like the updates and stuff, and like it was like I should have done it and it was too late that I couldn't. So now I'm going to start that. I think I'm gonna do that with all the wigs I'm gonna buy in the future. Do weekly updates so y'all can see how long it hold up and like whether you really want to get that hair or whatever. So yeah, this is the 14-inch. It's a little past my shoulders. I don't even know if it can. Am I touching it? Okay, it's like a little bit right there. So yeah. Usually I'm that type of person that when I order something or I'm looking through like hair catalogs and stuff, I want to know how it looks on me before I buy it, like the inches. Like say if I wanted a 22-inch, but some companies aren't true to their size or length, so I want to see how it looks on your like, do it past your shoulders a lot? Like, do it come to here or is it really like here? Like sometimes it's like that. So when I see people, they post their pictures that they cut their hair and stuff, it's like not useful to me. It's not useful to me. So I would go on YouTube and I will search for videos on people actually unboxing the hair and like measuring it by their ear and stuff. So that's what I'm trying to give y'all, a full outtake of the hair. This hair is in the color natural. It gets nappy at times. It's like in the back, like up under all that stuff. That's when it gets nappy. Okay, it's not like, oh, and it sheds. Yes, it sheds. You comb it, it sheds. You wash it, it sheds. Like it sheds like crazy. I'm trying to maintain by putting like detangling it a little gently than I usually, because I get mad when I'm in the mornings and I have to spray my hair, oil sheen my hair, and I try and brush it with the little paddle brush. It done broke my paddle brush. It done broke it. So it's like this all I have left of the brush. The handle's somewhere else in this room, but yeah, I get frustrated, and then it's so tangled in the back, you gotta take the whole wig off. And even though I secure my wigs now, like I'm just not starting to secure my wigs. Even though I'm securing my wigs, I still take it off at night. So just because it gets nappy in the back, and I be going through rubbing my fingers in class, and then all my fingers will get stuck. And I'll be so embarrassed, I gotta split it apart, you know, while nobody looking, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's basically like this hair. Okay, let's talk about the lace. The lace, I don't know if it's because I'm using Got To Be, but in the front, it's like when I bleached the lace, it's like it bleached, but when I started putting Got To Be glue, when I started to put the clear glue and the freeze spray on it, it just started changing colors and becoming like dark and gray and black, you know, just darker colors, and I didn't like it. So I would get a makeup palette and a little thingy that comes with it. I don't wear makeup, so I wouldn't know. But I brought that, and I got the brown, and I dabbed it on my part so it would look somewhat okay. I didn't do it today because, child, when you at school, everything shows. Okay, when you sweat, when you just sitting in class, them bright lights, it show everything. It showed the little holes in the lace, and I didn't have time to be embarrassed, keep checking my hair, make sure it's straight. I'd rather let you see my lace than me look dumb. Okay, and so that's what I did. I just did my little baby hairs, and wet my wig, all that, put mousse up here, and then I was out the door. But yeah, this hair sheds like no other. It sheds a lot, frequently, very much frequently. The hair, it just tangles up mostly in the back. Sometimes when it tangle up other places, it's mostly because it's dry and it's not enough oil sheen, or either I put mousse in it and it get tangled because it's dry and it's more friction applied to the hair. So all these hairs I'm getting just by doing this, is like all these hairs, see, I don't know if y'all can see it, but all these hairs, I'm just okay. So yeah, that's that. What else do I need to get into? The smell. So lately, it's been a week, so lately the smell, it's been smelling back to how it was when I first got it, which was smelling like factory. It's been smelling like after I wet it, it smelled like burnt hair a little bit. Like it's starting to smell like burnt hair now, and I don't like it. So what I do is, after I spray my hair with all my products, I get the perfume and I spray it in the air and I walk through it and I walk back. Okay, so this is the perfume. It's called Snowflakes and Cashmere. This is the perfume I use because it's like, it's not all that strong, and it's because it's not all that strong, and it's like it's a sweet smell to it. So what I do, oh my god, a piece of hair just got on my lip. But what I do is, okay, what I do is I spray in the air, like, then I walk into it, do this, walk back, do this and stuff like that. And so my hair can smell like me when I walk through the hallways, and it'll be like, who is that? Well, it's me, baby. Woody loop boop boop, woody loop boop boop, woody loop boop boop. And so yeah, that's what I do. All this hair, look, baby. I don't know if y'all can see. Alright. So yeah. It came with an elastic band in the back. So what I did was, not knowing me, I just sewed it on how it came. It was too big. So I guess later on I'ma take it out. See it right here? It's like too much extra on there. So I'm just gonna take it off. Resize it and adjust my wig that way. And I haven't washed the wig yet. I don't know if I should. I don't know, because people that I've been watching about wig updates and stuff, like on hair and wigs, they say wash your wig every 1 or 2 weeks, and I have not been doing either of those because it's been a week and I'm lazy and I'm not gonna wash it. Because I mean, I take it off at night, so I'll think about it. I don't know, maybe I should, but if I should, then I would. But if I would, then I should and I could. Hey, it's like, but anyway, yes, so that's that. Let me tell you about my experience with mousse. Okay, so with this hair and mousse, okay, I put water on my hair regardless if it's regardless of the directions. Okay, if it tell me to put this on dry hair or something like that, I'm still gonna wet my hair. I don't care. If it's straight hair, I'm gonna wet I don't like dry hair, okay, baby? I do not like dry hair. I will always tell you that working with my natural hair, I will put my hair up under the sink before I get under the blow dryer. I do not like dry hair at all. If you ever see me, you'll know my hair was never dry. I always kept it either always had this in it, or I had just water and grease. But I always had something smelling good in my hair, and that's always this. If you ever smell me walking by and it smell like somewhere off of a beach, that's what I have in my hair. So I don't like dry hair. That's me. That's just me. That's just me. But anyways, yeah. I keep moving. Let me know if y'all getting dizzy, because I can have a seat. I can have several seats. Okay? But that's about it. I'm looking over here because I'm just trying to figure out what else I'm missing, because all my stuff, when I wake up in the morning, I use my dresser as my guide to what I need to do next to my hair. So yeah. Oh, I ordered this hot comb from Amazon about a week ago, and this styling wax that I have. So this is the hot comb right here. It's electric. It's an electrical hot comb, so it comes with a plug right here and a stand. And so I use this on my hair along with this wax that was recommended. I don't know what good brand I should use, but it works. It works, baby. It works. So I brought this because it was like customers also brought, so I brought the bundle. I don't know if it's a hair on me somewhere or what, but it's annoying. Okay. See, it just sheds, and it just shed all over me. That's why I wear jackets. Like, if I wear a white shirt to school, I'm gonna wear a jacket, because baby, all this hair on me is not gonna, I'm not finna look like freaking barefoot or no, what's the other one? Sasquatch. I'm not about to be looking like none of them in school. Okay. So yeah, this is the Renutrient Slick Stick by Lusters, and this is what I do. I just open it up. Let me put this down. So I just open it up. I don't know how, because I just used it 2 days ago. And I molded the wig, and then I went behind it with my hot comb when it was plugged up, and then I just combed it to the side. But yeah, that's what I use. I use mousse up here, and then after I wetted it and oil sheened it, I put mousse on it. Not hard, but it was like, you wouldn't know it's in your hair, but it just dried out completely. Like, completely dried out. Like desert. Okay? So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed me just talking, blabbering, all that, please give me a like down below. Please let me know if you have any feedback in the comment section, and share with your friends to get it popping. If you have not subscribed already, please do so now and turn on the post notifications so you know when I post. Thank you, and I will be back with another video. Peace.